Let's talk about the substitution rule. The substitution rule is a method in calculus used to evaluate integrals. It works by making a change of variables to simplify the integrals. So, there is some example of substitution rule.
Guys, this is the step-by-step of solving substitution rule. So the given is 2x cos, close and open parenthesis, x squared and dx. So step 1, use the substitution. So let u is equals to x squared. Step 2 is differentiate. This is du is equals to 2x and dx. Step 3, rewrite integral. Now 2x cosine x squared close and open parenthesis dx equals cos close and open parenthesis u then du. Then step 4, integrate and cos close and open parenthesis u equals to sine close and open parenthesis u. Then step 5, substitute back. Sine close and open parenthesis u equals sine and x squared close and open parenthesis. So the final answer is sine x squared close and open parenthesis plus c.
So, as you can see po, nung nasa loob po ng power, which is x squared plus 1, meron po siyang derivative na kasama na 2x and nasa integral po siya. So, pag nakakita po ng ganyan, pwede po kayong gumamit ng, pwede kayong magkaroon ng clue na pwede po siyang gamitan ng substitution. So, you let u or variable equals x squared plus 1. So, derivative po ay magiging du equals 2x dx. Pero kakailanganin ko po ng 6x dx. So, i-multiply po natin siya by both sides by 3. That gives me 3 du or 3d variable equals 6x dx. So, pwede po siya nating i-write ng integral form in terms of variable. So, pag nasulat nyo po yung sa integral forms, madali na po siya ma-integrate. Tapos, pwede po kayo bumalik sa x. Pwede po mag-switch back to x. So, this is what I know about sub-rule. Kasi, sinerch ko lang naman po sa internet eh. So, yun. Thank you po. That's all for me.